Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna unbox this Nokia 7.2, but before I get into that video, you already know what I'm gonna say. Check this out. Alright everyone, so I hope y'all are having a great day today in the YouTube world and in the real world too. I decided to pick up the Nokia 7.2. Don't adjust your screen. Yes, I got another Nokia phone. I actually had the 7.1 last year. I did go ahead and sell it, but I decided to pick up the 7.2 because it's supposed to be a bit of an improvement from the 7.1. You can get this phone from Amazon for $349. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing, maybe even set up the phone really quick, go over the specs and look over the phone. Please let me know how this video looks and how does I sound. I'm using my Moto 1 Zoom to actually film this, so y'all let me know how it looks and sounds because I want to see if I can use my One Zoom in place of my G8. When I had the 7.1 last year, it was pretty fun. It did a great job to me. I think the 7.2 should, hopefully be an improvement from that, and we will definitely test it out. I'm gonna test out the cameras, probably do a gaming review, couple comparisons. Yes, I probably will put this against the Note 10, like I did the One Zoom, to see which one is a better buy. Yes, I probably will do a comparison between the One Zoom and this phone as far as cameras to see which one has the better cameras on the phone. The great thing about the Nokia phones, it has Android 1, as you can see on the box. That's enough of me talking. Let's get into this unboxing and get this going. Nice presentation from Nokia. Here are some of the specs, which I'm gonna go over later too. Does come with Android Pie right out the box. Get the unboxing knife here. Also, the phone is right on top. There you go. Yes, I got the charcoal color. It does come in green also, but you have to wait for that one. So I just picked up the charcoal. You have your SIM injecting tool right at the top. You have some books. Guys, do we read the books? No, we don't. Let's see what you get on this side. You get some earbuds, headphones. You get the USB Type-C charging cable, and then also the charging brick. You get anything else in this box? Nope. So I'm gonna put all this on the side really quick. All right, so let's check out the phone itself. Let's see how we can open this. Maybe not. I picked up the charcoal color. It does come in green also, like I mentioned earlier. It has like a matte finish to it. It feels really light though. Look at the phone. Let's see if it has some power. Alright, definitely has some power. Let's go over the specs while the phone is starting up. On the front, the display is a pure display with Pixelworks. It actually has a 6.3-inch display. 19.5 by 9 ratio. It is full HD plus display. With Nokia, the display on the 7.1 was pretty good, so this one shouldn't be any worse. It does have HDR video. Now it does come with Android 9.0 straight out the box. Look at that, it says welcome English USA. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM, also 128 gigs of storage. It has an SD card slot, and it can hold up to a 512 gig SD card. So if 128 is not good enough for you, you can get 512 more. It has the Snapdragon 660 processor in there, so it's a mid-range processor. It has 3,500 milliamp hour battery, so you should get good battery life. I think they claim in like between 2 days of battery life. We will test that out, you know that. On the rear for the cameras, you have a 48 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel depth sensor camera, and then they are calling it 8 megapixel grand wide angle camera. We'll see if that actually works out, how it looks. Yes, you also have some branding on the back and a fingerprint scanner. So no fingerprint scanner in the display. On the front, you actually have a 20 megapixel camera too, with the little drop notch. Look at that. The little notch there. What y'all think about the notch? It does have a lot of bezels on it. Nokia branding there too. And on the back. Man, it's a nice phone though. Feels really light though. Alright, so let's go over the phone itself. On the right side, you have your volume rockers and a power button. On the left hand side, you have the SIM card slot. And then you'll have a Google Assistant button. At the bottom, you have the Type-C charging port, speaker, and then also a microphone. You have a microphone at the top. And yes, you still have a headphone jack in 2019. On a budget phone. What y'all think about that camera cutout? Kind of looks like the Moto G7 a little bit, and a couple other phones are coming out. But let's set this up really quick. So I'm gonna say let's go. I'm gonna skip the SIM card. It's really messing with the one zoom's camera. It does have 5G, so I'm gonna hit 5G. I'm gonna put my passcode in. Alright, so I was able to set up my Wi-Fi. I put in my email address as far as my Gmail. And now I just want to see how quick this fingerprint scanner is. So I'm always doing my upside down G. So I'm going to touch the sensor. Man, it's really sensitive. I want to make sure you get all of the fingerprint. I want to see if I can do the same one over. Nope, you can't do the same one over. So let's try this again. If my one zoom would focus. It is really sensitive about moving your finger around. That took some work. I will do face unlock later. Alright, so we're almost done. That's a cool looking wallpaper. Look at that. Now, the first thing we want to check out is how much storage we have. So I'm using 14 gigs out of the 128. As you can tell there, the system is using 12 gigs and other apps is 2.7. Now let's do some quick comparisons. I have the G7 here. This phone is definitely a little bit wider and thicker. It's taller than my G7. Look at the bottom. Check out the backs. I have my F1 Humi Digi. These both phones are solids though. The 7.2 is taller. At the bottom. Which camera setup do you like better? The one on the left or the right? The F1 or the Nokia? Let me grab my Note 10 really quick. Yeah, the Note 10 just eats it up. Bam. Look at the bottom. Now this one does have that flat display, so if you don't like the curve, On the Note, it's definitely flat display. This is definitely a nice phone. I can't wait to use it, check it out more. I will definitely do some more camera tests. Like I said, I'm gonna do some videos on this phone. Definitely get into it and see, you know, how this phone can hold up to my other phones that I've been using. Again, if you want to pick up this phone, I will have the links in the description so that way you can pick it up from Amazon. Like I said earlier, they do have a green color. It looks like it's in stock also, so you can definitely pick it up for $349. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Nokia 7.2. Also, let me know how the video quality was using the one zoom. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.